Hello, Lehigh Carbon Community College. My name's Michael and I'm a learning specialist here, and welcome to 60 Seconds to Success. Today we're going to be talking about 4 square breathing. Sometimes we get full of anxiety and we enter a panic state, and one of the ways we can center ourselves is by using 4 square breathing. What you do is you breathe in for 4 seconds, hold that breath for 4 seconds, exhale that breath for 4 seconds. We breathe all the time, but consciously taking a deep 4 square breath will really help you center yourself. Now, if you're busy, like you're taking a time test or something, and you don't want to try to center yourself, you can skip the hold. Just breathe in for 4, exhale for 4, but it has to be intentional. So when you try this technique in 8 to 12 seconds, you can recenter yourself, you can refocus, you can help calm your anxiety down a little bit, and that will help you focus and be more successful. That's all the time we have, folks. Later.